we're at the house build site of Ralph and Maren Martins here and family in Iloilo. These guys are doing a really great job here. Number one, they've got this temporary scaffolding, and it's not just bamboo. On most of the builds I've seen on this island, and I haven't been close to taking a good look at Iloilo, but from what I've seen on our side of the island over in Ackland, they're mostly using bamboo. These guys have got it tied together nicely with these galvanized pipes here, and I gotta say, it's a lot safer. I feel much safer climbing around on their site than I did on ours when all we had was the bamboo. I'm gonna walk around under here. Might not be the smartest thing to do, but just so everybody gets an idea. Cocoa lumber, making forms, yeah? This is one solid house when it's done. It's gonna be one solid, very solid house. No worries about earthquake here. It's gonna, it will endure. Looks good, Manami. Really nice build. Good build quality. I'm gonna get out of their way, but you guys get the idea. It's a pretty solid build here. It's good, Manami. Looks good to me. I get the feeling these guys have built a few houses before. I think they got maybe the retaining wall here, maybe the sewer. Is that the sewer? Okay, that's good. It's way down there. Okay. Wow, Karen. What do you think? It's looking pretty good, isn't it? Look at, how do you like how they got the pipe on the outside instead of just the bamboo, tying it all together?
Yep.
Makes it way safer.
And then much durable.
Yeah, I mean, a lot less likely. Oh, what's this? Little Escall dog. Hello. Hello. You got ticks too. It's tick season. Poor little fella.
You wanna try?
No, you got it. You got it. We'll do a walk all the way around. It's a beautiful subdivision. Beautiful subdivision here in Iloilo, close to SM. The location is just really awesome. Close to SM. The main highway, I mean right there, that way a ways and you're at SM. The whole city, all the conveniences of the city. Great location. I want to make sure I get as much video as I can for you guys that are interested in the construction materials and what the builds look like here. And the rest you ought to be able to see from Karen's drone video. So there you go, guys. That's Ralph and Maren Martin family build here in Iloilo. They're using some pretty tremendous rebar in here. Hey, Karen, you want to put a second floor? Rip that metal roof off our house and put a second floor on ours like this?
This is what we need if we build a second floor.
You want to?
We already completed like this.
Uh-huh.
And they use the same rebars we used also.
Yep.
Yeah, it's right. They did it right in our house. And kuyas are so fast. They're so fast. Even it's raining. Even it's raining earlier, they still doing it. This is what we need, James.
Uh-huh.
If you want another floor, yeah, it's big pillars and beams. For sure, this is very durable, James.
Yeah, I think so. Look at the size of that rebar.
Even an earthquake cannot.
Yeah.
Shake
Yeah, I
us.
bet it'll be fine.
Yeah.
You might get a crack here or there, but I bet it'll be fine.
That's the reason why we don't finish our house, everyone. Because we spent a lot for rebars.
Yeah, you put so blasted much rebar in our house.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's so good. Even here, it's windy. This area is cool.
Yeah, it's a good area. Look at that. It's so close to SM and all the nice things in the city.
Like 15 minutes only from here, and
You can see it from here
it's-
with the drone.
If it's not traffic, it's much faster.
Yeah.
What's that? Kitchen?
Rather than putting a second floor on ours, Karen, I would like to just buy land in Libacao and build another one.
Seriously?
Yeah. Way up high on the mountain, 3 floors high, with a deck like Bellis's house.
Yeah.
Man, that would be awesome. Overlooking the Aklan River.
Yeah.
All right.
For your Ralph Martin's pick a good area.
Yeah, he's close to SM and all the conveniences. He can get all the good beef and the good Western food, and
It's very peaceful here too. There's no noise.
close to the airport, close to the seaport. It's a hub. It's got everything here. It's a good place to be.
Let's go. How I know. I think this is more than 180 square meter. I think, James. Ours is 180 square meters. This is
I think for sure with the 2 floors it is.
mga kadtuanay kami dyan sa sulod. Ikaw ang foreman kuya.
Karen, ask if they always use these.
This is Kuya Ralph Martin said that the orange guy is the foreman.
This is the foreman. It looks good.
How
Looks
many
really good.
square meter, Kuya? 127.
127. Okay. Per floor or the whole thing?
A whole.
The whole thing is
Yeah.
127. How many CR?
How many CR, Kuya?
4 CR.
Wow.
So 4 CR, 4 bedroom? 4 bedroom? 4 bedroom, 4 CR.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
The
Yeah.
whole lot is 324
324?
kilometer.
Nice.
It's really good.
Very good.
How many workers, Kuya?
Good.
12 workers. How long does it take to start to finish?
2 months.
2 months. It's Pacquiao.
2 months?
Pacquiao. Yeah. It's not daily.
Daily.
Oh, yeah.
But it's 2 months?
It's 2 months.
Daily is better.
Daily.
That way you don't run out of money.
Yeah.
Yeah, better. Daily is better.
What's at the back, Kuya? This is the bedroom.
This dining.
Dining.
The dining room? Okay. Oh yeah.
Ay, sala, there's
Okay.
dining. This is a room.
That is the room.
There's a one CR.
One CR there.
That is a garage entrance.
Oh, the garage entrance. Okay.
This stairs.
Going
Okay.
up.
Another staircase? Okay.
Yeah.
It's still.
Kitchen.
Okay, the kitchen.
This pantry. This a pantry.
Pantry. Okay.
That is a men's room. There.
Okay.
But the entrance is there at the
Okay.
back.
Very nice. Oh yeah.
Cute.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Thank you, Kuya, for touring
Yeah,
our.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
It looks really beautiful, Kuya. Thank you.
We are getting ideas also each house that we've been.
The next one. I know you pay very much attention to these details, Karen. Yeah.
There's some
The sewer?
This.
Karen, what did you say?
From there to here.
Yeah, it's going out this way?
Follow, yes.
Yep. I vlogged that earlier. I saw the pipe goes that way.
Full day.
The sewer drain. Yeah, look. And what I like about it is it's very deep. There. All the way down there and out. The drain.
Yeah. I thought that's why I'm wondering why so deep.
Yeah. For drainage. Alright.
We have also barracks. They are the one who sleep. Yeah.
Okay. Ready, set, go?
So,
Roads of the Philippines. So we're on our way to Iloilo to vlog the house of Ralph and Martin Martins. They've graciously offered to let us vlog the house build, which is always of interest. So here we go. across these really terrible roads here, certain sections anyway. Most of the road is decent, but there's places like this one. Whoa, is that a snake? Is that a snake, Karen? If you're not paying attention, it's nighttime, you know, you don't see those potholes. Tonton, he did hit one in our Kuya's Aerox on it. He flipped it over. He got a good, that was a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, and he got injured pretty bad. A lot of road rash. You know, he's wearing flip-flops and shorts, hit a pothole, flipped the Aerox over. Luckily, that's all that happened to him was road rash, but it could have been a lot worse. Karen, is that a business? RGM Cock Hunter? Are they catching wild roosters? The wild ones? Here's a bumpy road in Altaba. The whole capital. Capital of whole. The whole. Oh. Jeez. Are we going through that bypass again? Or are we're taking it right? No? Straight? Still got potholes. Do you think the river floods this? Is that what's going on? Building A and C.
Oh,
There it is.
we can park first. There.
Okay, I got it. Video. Did you want to go to SM?
No.
No?
No.
Which way out?
No, I don't know where we can go. Where is the exit? There, now. Let's try there. The back. At the back. We are here at the back of SM.
Which way we go, Karen?
There, straight. You see the taxi or car?
Okay.
What's that?
Left? Is that a one-way?
One way. Maybe left. Left. Yeah. No signal still.
Alright. Did it expire maybe, the data?
Use left. Jesus, Jody.